Hi everyone, welcome back to another mukbang. It feels like it's been a while. I've been filming with my husband a lot, but last week my parents actually came back from a long vacation, so we spent a good amount of time with them. So it was kind of hard to find my alone time to film my real sound mukbang, but today I'm back. I'm back with some hot soba noodles. I just garnished it with the seaweed paper. For the cold soba, I do like green onions and radish, like grinded radish, but I've been really enjoying the hot ones too. I have some. This is supposed to be like a creamy karaoke. Never tried it before. I'm excited. And these are shrimp tempura. So these are a little different type of tempura. So these have like breadcrumbs. The other ones that I wanted is just like one like soft batter. Anyways, I have some tonkatsu. Korean tonkatsu sauce, just brought it, and then for drink, just water. Finally, I finished my pomegranate vinegar. I get to try the grape one. So this one I did try yesterday, and it's actually pretty good. Kind of reminds me of that grape soju. It's one of like the most popular flavor, I feel like. So I was really excited to try this, and the thing is, the color's not as vibrant. I thought we actually looked pretty green, but I'm actually going to drink a little bit more and then put some bubbly. You know how everything increased its price? Man, LaCroix. So expensive. I think bubbly stayed the same. I don't know, but maybe the bubbly is LaCroix's older price. Let's eat. So I do have a little bit more broth left. Yay. I'm definitely one of those people that really loves soggy tempura. So whenever I get like udon or like hot soba, I do put all my like tempuras in here. But for video's sake, I'm gonna keep it in this little bowl to keep the broth clean. Okay. This is supposed to be creamy. I don't know if they meant to say creamy or crammy. Like, because I'm seeing like crab meat looking ones. If you guys can see. Yeah, actually really good. I have the tonkatsu sauce because I think this will pair so well. I feel like the croquette doesn't pair very well with the soba, but it's still really good. Oops. I don't even know if you guys could see. Mm. 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 Oof.